Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I'm making some meatballs. I want to show you guys how I'm making my version. So I'm making with red potato. So I have here 5 pounds of red potato here. Boil this far tender, not too soft, just far tender. Then we mash it and then later on we got the chicken. Then first we can boil it. So I have here, Cajun is boiling with the water here, so we put this to boil. Guys, I know there's a lot of video out there with meatballs, but I'm sure how I do it my version with red potato. I usually do it anytime I use red potato, any kind of potato. Well, I usually most of red potato, I don't use a rustic tomato. I soak it overnight before I use it. Cassava, I do the same thing, I soak it overnight so you don't have a lot of starch and carb. Less carb, less starch, less sugar. So I always soak it overnight when I use it. So we let this boil till tender. Once you can push this sparking, we don't want it too soft and soggy. Alright, so we can put a lid on this and let this boil. So over here, I have 2 chicken breasts. Boneless chicken breasts cut up. That was seasoned this now. As you wash your hand and then deal with chicken, we keep washing our hand all the time. See more cooked than keep washing your hand all the time. Alright, so this is the chicken breast, so we can season this now. This will go into the potato to make the meatball. First we can start with adobo. We will put some onion powder. I don't measure it, I just average garlic powder. Cajun Seasoning. Average, you don't want to put too much because then you get too salty. And this is some cayenne pepper. I have some green seasoning here. I have some black pepper. I will put some sesame oil also. Now, you guys know when I cook, I always use my pink Himalayan salt. You put a little salt. Not too much. Then we got a salted potato. I put the salt in the water here also with the potato to boil. Alright, so we go mix this up. Alright, so this is finished. Don't mix up this seasoning inside. Then we can fry it a little. Not too much deep fry, nothing like that. Just a little oil. Cook, stir fry it a little, get a little brown, to add it into the meatball. Alright, I wash my hand again. Alright guys, so you can throw the chicken inside there and have the frying pan on here. Just cook this chicken now. So we don't put a lot of oil in the frying pan, just a little. So give it a stir fry. Now you can cook onion, garlic, but I'm not doing that today. This is our potato boiling here. So the potato, once it's far tender, then we're going to take it off, strain it down. Alright, so the chicken is frying this. Alright guys, you see, there's the chicken here. Almost finished. You can take it off in a couple of minutes. We have the potato here. Potato almost finished also. So once it's finished, I will show you after this. You can put the chicken into this food processor. And then you grind it up a little small, not too fine, a little small, you just pulp it. Alright? Alright guys, so the chicken finished here, we can put it in the food processor now. Alright guys, the potato fish boil, I start to mash it. So I have to continue to mash it out. And then I got the chicken some more seasoning and I start to roll it out. Look, this is my helper. So the helper for wash all the dishes. Alright guys, so that's everything mixed up there, the potato, the chicken, everything. So we just start to roll it out. Then we can start to fry it. I have the oil over here, is hot in. You start to fry it in a few minutes. And I have some Pholourie mix here. That's what I'm using. The batter for fry this meatball. And I also make some Pholourie with this salt. So it's low carb, high in fiber, is very good. Alright, so let's taste it and clean out the salt. Yeah, that's good. Right, so we roll it out there for a meatball. So you can use mashed potato too, but the powder mashed potato, you can use the powder, the grind powder. But this is more healthy, the red potato. The rustic potato is more high in sugar and carb. The red one is less carb, less sugar. That's why you soak it overnight. Get out most of the starch from it. Same thing with cassava, any ground fruit, ground vegetable. Come from the dirt, starchy vegetable, you soak it overnight. So you finish out the rest of this. So this is our batter to fry the meatball. Alright, so we can start get frying. Oil is hot. That's all the we roll out over there. We have some more over here. Alright, so we got the first set frying here. See now if you have the oil right temperature, it will bust apart and loose apart in the curry. And then the next thing, it depends how you do your potato. If you boil the potato too soft and it gets soggy, then just smush up in the curry when you fry it. So you just gotta make sure you don't boil the potato too soft. And guys, when I did the batter, I seasoned the mix, the package mix I make the batter with. I put some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder. First set almost finished here. Because everything is cooked, you just have to make this one is outside to get the batter to get brown and nice. See? You see how it's not bursting, fall apart. A lot of time, if you don't do it the right way, the whole thing bursts up in the kahari, fall apart in the kahari. Take this one, this is the first one you put inside. Take here out. This is good. You take this out, really good, really good. And I have this I'm using to take it out so there's no oil. Not too much oil in it. Okay, so that's one set just finished there. You start frying the rest of them. Alright guys, so we finished frying the meatball. That's the meatball just finished there. I'm going out to start to fry the Pholourie. Alright, so this Pholourie when I fry it, I don't use my hand. I use a hand. I use this ice cream scooper. You want it to press like this. I use this one. and it comes out good with me. So I don't use my hand, I use the ice cream scooper. But the oil is too hot now, so I have to let the oil cool down a little before I fry the Pholourie. Alright guys, that's one set done like this. But that is the fourth set. I didn't get to video the fourth set. This is the second set I just put in with the ice cream. So I will show when I put the other next set because the camera wasn't on. I think the camera was the shut out. So when I put the next set in, the third set, I will show how I did it. Scooping on the next, this is the third set I'm putting in now. See I scoop it up there. I'll drop it in the oil. You scoop like when you're scooping ice cream. I will wait till the one pop up because I don't want to drop it in. See pop up there. Then you drop the other one so that way you don't stick up together. So you scoop it up the same way if you scoop ice cream, just drop it in. And you don't have to duck the scooper in oil every time you fry. Once you duck it one time or two times, it's good. Let me show you one more time how I scoop. See, I scoop it up like this. If you're scooping ice cream. So we let this fry. So there's the second set came out of it. It's soft and fluffy. See, soft. It's not oily because I use the oil I use. You don't suck up so much oil. There's the second set. There's the third set is frying. So when it's finished, I'll show you that like. Alright guys, so this is the Pholourie meatball. This is the sauce we use to eat it. You can use it mango sauce, but we're using this. This tastes real good. Alright guys. So guys, hope you guys like this version. I made the Pholourie. I mean the meatball with the red potato. So the Pholourie I use the pack I showed you earlier. I usually make it from scratch, but today I use the pack one. It's a low carb, high fiber. It's a very good Pholourie mix. And the meatball I told I make it with red potato. It was a 5-pound bag potato with two chicken breasts I put inside to make the meatball. Alright guys, hope you guys like this Pholourie, the meatball I make. Leave us a comment, like, share and subscribe. Bye, see you back in the next episode.